Stop slashing prices just to win a federal contract. That's a recipe for destroyed margins. In GovCon, your price isn't a discount. It's a justified narrative. You must calculate a price that is both competitive and profitable by building a truly defensible bid that covers your true costs, specialized expenses, and a reasonable profit. What should be in your math? Labor, compliance time, the cost of delayed government payments, and specialized insurance. Ignore these and you'll lose your money. We'll show you a simple breakdown of how a $150 hour rate is meticulously built and clearly explained to the evaluators to secure the win. Struggling to build that perfect pricing narrative? CyberX's proposal development expertise includes strategic pricing guidance that protects your profitability.